How to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Try to log in, and after you press on sign in, you'll find two-step verification option and it is not sending anything. What you can do is simply click on use another verification method. Then click on backup code. This is the code that is given to you before adding two-step verification. Add 9-digit code. If you don't have this, what you can do is click on contact Roblox support at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down, it will give you all the answers. If this does not fix, click on contact customer support. And here add your username, first name, email address, confirm email address. After you have added that, select the device and then select category. Simply select account hacked or can't log in, first option. Then after that, select two-step verification, which is the third option. After you've selected that, at the bottom, you need to describe your issue. Simply type in not getting the codes. Can you help me log in? And if you press on continue, Roblox will be sent this and they will get back to you and fix your problem. This is how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.